You may have heard somewhere that apple seeds are highly toxic. That's correct. Apple seeds are indeed very poisonous, and this claim is backed by science. Apple seeds contain a compound called amygdalin. When this compound enters the body, it can convert into cyanide, a highly toxic chemical that affects the respiratory system, causing dizziness, nausea, and even death if the cyanide level exceeds the safe threshold. Specifically, amygdalin is a cyanogenic glycoside, a compound that combines cyanide with sugar. When broken down in the body, it releases hydrogen cyanide, HCN, which is extremely toxic. Research indicates that consuming as little as 50 milligauss of cyanide, equivalent to the size of a green pea, is enough to pose a significant risk to humans and can result in death within minutes if ingested in sufficient quantities. Fortunately, the outer shell of apple seeds serves as a protective barrier that prevents cyanide from being released unless the seeds are crushed. Therefore, if you accidentally swallow a few whole apple seeds without chewing them, there's no need to worry. However, consuming 20 to 25 seeds continuously poses a high risk of cyanide poisoning, which, if not treated promptly, could lead to severe consequences. In reality, the amygdalin in apple seeds is harmful only when the seeds are crushed or chewed thoroughly. The human body can tolerate small amounts of hydrogen cyanide, but it would take consuming a very large number of seeds, around 100 to 500, to cause serious harm. To put things into perspective, a typical apple contains only about 5 to 8 seeds. This amount is far from enough to cause any danger. Whole seeds that are accidentally swallowed will simply pass through the digestive system without causing significant harm. In summary, eating apples remains completely safe and beneficial to your health, as long as you avoid chewing or crushing the seeds uncontrollably. So, enjoy this nutritious fruit without worrying too much about the tiny seeds inside. To ensure safety, we recommend avoiding the consumption of apple seeds whenever possible. However, don't let this stop you from enjoying one of the most nutritious and convenient fruits. As the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples not only offer a delicious taste, but also provide numerous health benefits. So when asked, are apple seeds poisonous? The answer is yes. But you don't need to eliminate apples from your daily diet. Simply remove the seeds and follow a few precautions, and you can continue to safely enjoy this fruit while reaping its maximum nutritional benefits. Eating apples in moderation. It is recommended to eat 1 to 2 apples per day. Consuming too many can lead to bloating, constipation, or an increase in blood sugar levels. Always choose apples that are fresh, have clear origins, and are not bruised. Washing apples before eating, rinse. Apples thoroughly under clean running water to remove dirt and any residual chemicals. Apple peels are rich in beneficial antioxidants, but you should only eat the peel if you are sure it is safe and free of pesticide residues. The best time to eat apples. Morning is the ideal time to eat apples, especially when your stomach is empty. Apples provide natural energy in the form of sugar, replenishing nutrients after a long night without food. Additionally, the fiber content in apples helps stimulate bowel movements and improve digestion, giving you a healthy start to the day. To maximize nutritional benefits, you can combine apples with other foods like oatmeal, milk, or eggs to create a balanced breakfast that keeps you energized throughout the day. However, if you have stomach problems, particularly gastritis or indigestion, eating apples on an empty stomach may not be suitable. Apples contain a small amount of tannin and protease enzymes, which may cause slight irritation, leading to nausea or discomfort in some individuals. Avoid eating apples immediately after a heavy meal, as your stomach may not have digested all the food yet, causing strain or digestive discomfort. The best time to eat apples after a meal is about 30 minutes later. With a few simple precautions, you can fully enjoy the benefits of apples to improve your health and maintain energy throughout the day. Why not eat apples at night? Nighttime is not the best time to eat apples. As the digestive system slows down, digesting apples may become more difficult, potentially causing bloating or indigestion. Additionally, the acidity in apples can increase stomach acid levels, disrupting digestion and creating discomfort. This may affect your sleep, leaving you feeling uneasy at night. To ensure proper digestion and a restful sleep, it's best to avoid eating apples at night. Incorporating apples into your diet. Apples are an excellent choice for breakfast or as a light snack. You can pair them with other foods to create healthy and well-balanced meals. They are also a great addition to weight loss diets, as they help improve digestion and promote healthy, glowing skin. Important notes on food pairings. Avoid eating apples with seafood, as the tannic acid in apples can reduce the nutritional value of protein, potentially causing stomach discomfort or nausea after consumption. In conclusion, while apple seeds are toxic, you can easily remove them to fully enjoy the benefits of this nutritious fruit. By paying attention to how you eat and combine apples with other foods, they can become an essential part of your daily diet, boosting your health and keeping you energized. Is apple seed oil safe? Apple seed oil is extracted from apple juice, including the seeds. It is highly valued for its numerous benefits: reducing skin inflammation, protecting and strengthening hair, acting as an antioxidant that helps prevent cancer, fighting harmful bacterial infections. But is apple seed oil safe, considering that apple seeds contain the toxic compound amygdalin? The answer is yes, apple seed oil is safe to use. This is because the refining process significantly reduces or removes the amygdalin content in apple seeds, making it negligible and harmless to health. As a result, apple seed oil can be safely used for skincare and health purposes, provided it's not consumed in excessive amounts. Important notes: even though apple seed oil is considered safe, it's essential to purchase it from reputable brands with clear origins. Also, avoid using more than the recommended dosage. Make the most of the benefits of apples and apple-derived products to take care of your health effectively. Should you eat apples with the peel? Apple peels are rich in essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. However, studies suggest that apple peels can also contain trace amounts of heavy metals like lead, copper, thallium, and tin, which may pose health risks. These metals often accumulate on the peel during cultivation and storage. The good news is that heavy metal residues can be reduced by 70 to 80% if apples are stored in clean, sealed bags to limit exposure to air. Eating apples with the peel is generally safe if you take a few precautions. Tips for eating apples with the peel: choose quality apples. Pick fresh apples with peels that are free from wilting, dullness, or unusual signs. If the peel looks overly shiny, possibly due to wax coatings, peel it before eating. Prioritize choosing apples packaged in clean packaging. Apples packed in clean, sealed bags are less exposed to air and bacteria. Wash and soak before eating. Soak apples in a solution of water, white vinegar, and a few drops of grapefruit essential oil to remove toxins and chemical residues, ensuring safety. Does apple juice made with seeds pose a risk? If apple juice is made using the whole apple, including the seeds, there is typically no need to worry. The amount of amygdalin in a small number of apple seeds is not enough to cause harm, especially if the seeds are not completely crushed. However, if consuming juice regularly, check with the manufacturer to ensure that the seeds are removed during processing. Consuming large amounts of juice made from crushed seeds can lead to cyanide accumulation in the body, posing long-term risks. Choose apple juice from reputable sources where the seeds are removed. If making juice at home, be sure to carefully remove the seeds before juicing. Eating apples with the peel is safe as long as the peel is clean and free from chemical residues or heavy metals. Always select fresh apples, wash them thoroughly, and soak if necessary. Apple juice with seeds generally poses no danger in small amounts. However, for regular consumption, ensure the seeds are removed to maximize safety and maintain health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and we'll be happy to respond. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and full of energy.